is in the air, and at BMW of Bridgewater, we're ready to ensure your BMW is complete for the season ahead. Introducing our exclusive complimentary spring maintenance service clinic, available now through April 30th. Trust our team of skilled technicians to give your BMW the attention it deserves.
Our multi-point inspection covers every inch of your BMW, leaving no detail overlooked.
Ensure your battery is healthy and ready to start every time with our battery health check.
Safety is our priority. Let us inspect your brakes to keep you driving with confidence.
Adjusting tire pressures ensures finest performance and fuel efficiency.
Don't let worn-out wipers hinder your visibility. We'll inspect them for you.
Belts and hoses play a crucial role in our BMW's performance. Let us inspect them for any signs of wear or damage.
And we'll top off all fluids to keep your BMW running smoothly on every journey.
Take advantage of our special spring offer at BMW of Bridgewater.
Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your appointment today and experience the ultimate in BMW service excellence.
BMW of Bridgewater is where luxury meets peace of mind. And don't forget to like and subscribe.